How to fix Cash App blocking payments. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong signal or switch to Wi-Fi. The next step that I can suggest doing is verifying your identity if you haven't already. Cash App may block payments if you're not verified. You want to go to your profile, then personal, and enter your full name, date of birth, and social security number. The third step that I suggest doing is checking the linked bank or card. You want to open up the banking tab and make sure your debit card or bank info is up to date and in your name. Double check the payment info, make sure that the cash tag, phone number, or email you're sending to is correct, and avoid suspicious activity. Too many failed payments or large transfers can trigger a block. You want to try sending a smaller amount. This step is going to be for Android only, but you will go to your phone settings, apps, Cash App, storage, and you will clear the cache. You can do or offload your Cash App on iPhone. Log out and back in. You want to tap the menu icon, sign out, and then log back in to refresh the app. And if all else fails, you can contact support. You will go to your profile, support, to chat or call for help. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.